Happy Wednesday, self-mastery mates. It's your friend Kristen with Life's Limitless Potential. Popping in real quick to do an application video in the hopes that it'll help to clarify some of the concepts that we've been discussing, because I know they can be abstract. So giving some additional insight I think is necessary. So we've been studying the beautiful attitudes, which are a set of constructive generalized perceptions. And we've discussed how our brain doesn't show us reality, it interprets it. Our senses send raw data. We hear something, see something, smell something, taste something, feel something. Our senses send raw data. And then our brain uses our perspective, what we're thinking about the situation, and the context of the situation to create our reality. And so the power behind having a set of constructive generalized perceptions is that it helps to manage our thought process, which in turn helps to regulate our emotions. Let me explain. So the way our beautiful, amazing body was created is that our thoughts always precede our emotions. So whatever we're feeling is based upon what we're thinking. For example, let's say you won the lottery. You might be thinking, oh, I'll never have to struggle to pay bills again, or I'll be able to send my kids to college or pay off my debt. And those thoughts would lead to the emotions of maybe relief, excitement, joy. However, if your friend moved away and you were thinking, oh gosh, I'm gonna miss her so much, or why do they have to move so far? Those thoughts might lead to the feelings of sadness, anxiety, being depressed, because our thoughts always precede our emotions. So because our reality is based upon our perspective, what we're thinking about the situation, having a set of constructive perceptions on your tool belt can be very powerful, because it helps to stop the immediate reaction and allow you to regulate your emotions. Let me explain further. So here's an example. I was driving to Starbucks the other day. Love their popcorn. Still addicted. Khloe Kardashian, what have you done? Anyways, and I was in a 3-lane street. And I was in the far left, and there was somebody in the far right. And unbeknownst to both of us, we decided to merge into the center lane at the same time. Well, that person honked at me, and my immediate response was to feel annoyed, because I was embarrassed, and I was thinking, gosh, that's so rude. But because I felt triggered, I stopped and I thought about what I was thinking. And I applied the beautiful attitude that all behavior is geared with a positive intention. And that immediately allowed me to change my thoughts from, oh, that person is so rude, to, oh, you know what? Thank you. We could have gotten an accident. Thank you for honking and letting me know that you too were merging into that middle lane. So having these attitudes or perceptions on your tool belt can really help in a moment when you feel triggered. I hope that adds some clarity, and I do plan on popping in at least once a week to share additional insights and applications. I hope you're all having a fantastic week, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow with our second storytime video.